Hey everyone, back to the video. Now I'm not gonna lie, I like games. Okay. So in my history, it's not all of it, of course, but I'm a little bit sick, sorry about that. But today's video, I am gonna try and make an account in this game. Yes, an account. So we could just connect it. No, yeah. Huh. So this game won't have a sound because yeah, I might hear shots and stuff, but okay. Oh my god, dude. Oh jeez. Oh, there's nobody here. Oh, I'm the only one here. I forgot. Let's stay in the servers. It will be laggy, of course. Like so laggy, dude. So we have 15 minutes on the clock. So if it ends, I'm not gonna like probably say goodbye because oh, I don't say goodbye. Yeah, but yeah, you know. Face saying G. And I can't see my face in the video because it doesn't really show, but yeah, you just know. But let's just deal with it. Whoa! Okay, buddy. Why not? Sodom. They new guns. Crossbow, not a new gun. I just made my mic because my mom said that I have to do something. I'm pretty bad at this game, so you guys know that I'm not that good at the game. Yeah, see, I'm pretty bad at the game. Just started, so like, how would I play this game? Faith! I'm pretty sure he's in Faith, because, I mean, I'm a god at Fortnite and no snipping, you know, my no snips. Oh shit! Faith! Dude, always Faith! I might rage quit on this video soon. I don't actually like get a kill. Oh, I got a kill. Ah! It's just a spectator. I'm good at this game, dude. Oh my god. Triple assault rifle. Let's pick. Yes. I took that assault rifle. Papa. This is just like a random account, sorry. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry. Why is this gun need pistol? Like, is that just me or this gun's bad? Just gonna no scope spray that person. Oh, headshot! Oh, oh yes, no more team. I'm trying to no scope somebody. If I hit this no scope guys, leave a like. But I'm playing an online game. Okay, hold up guys, let me go.